Today we are going to be reviewing the emergency light I just got today, and that is a Dual Lite EZ-2L in black housing. Looks very nice in black housing. So let's begin. So this is the LED version of the original Dual Lite EZ-2. It was one of the most popular emergency lights back then. And they had almost a whopping 40 years in production. They were first starting to be produced in 1982, then they were discontinued in 2021 for the new EZ-2L, which obviously this was created in 2021. So, yeah, this year is already its 5-year anniversary if you think about it, because it's 2026 now at the time I'm recording this. So the original EZ-2 has a different type of test button, and it's twice as big as the LED version of it. So one very cool feature is that the battery is actually in the front, just like the Dual Lite EVHC. Usually it's in the back where all the other wiring takes place, but with the EZ-2L, it's different. This does apply to some modern Dual Lite emergency lights. Then they have simple self-diagnostics as the standard. Sometimes they have Spectron. So this is the AC light. It's obviously green in normal condition. If I give it a test, you can see it actually starts off very dim. Then it gets brighter, which is something very cool about the EZ-2L. Here's how the heads look close up. There we go. Now we're going to be doing a power outage test. I'm going to unplug the unit. And it slowly gets brighter. Here we go. So it's different with the adjustments on these. I'll mention how the adjustments work after the power outage test. Let me fix these heads a little real quick. There, that's better. So it's lighting up by the traffic light. It's lighting up that whole space well. Okay. Just lighting up that shelf. I'm going to plug the unit back in. The adjustments are pretty different on these. So, a lot of emergency lights have the two heads facing out like my hand is. However, when I got this, it was actually adjusted just like this, with the head on the side. So, yeah, adjustments have a difference. And then I'll show you the inside of the battery compartment. It's not like the EVHC where there's a screw. It's actually an entire latch. If this got hit very hard, the door would be open, which is actually kind of a negative thing about EZ-2Ls. There we go. I got it open with one hand. And I will demonstrate the simple self-diagnostics. Apparently this one actually doesn't have simple self-diagnostics. If I gave it a test, though, it wouldn't work. I kind of wish they had simple self-diagnostics because the battery's literally disconnected and the AC light is still green. I thought it had simple self-diagnostics, but it doesn't. Although, I'm going to quickly reconnect the battery off camera now. I'm not even going to close the unit. For sakes, I will give it one more test. Sorry, the thing is the door is kind of in the way. There we go. And I don't think I have anything else to say, so I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.